Gawin Mo Akong Sige.
Yes! Inaawit niya sa concert niya.
I was beside Lea Salonga when she watched this in 2019.
Oh, wow.
Magkatabi kami until she was blown away. And this is someone who's already won the Tony, the Laurence Olivier. She's lauded abroad. Kung siya na mismo na nag-represent sa atin abroad, sila-celebrate doon, uuwi dito at magsasabing, ito ang panoorin. Makinig tayo sa manang namin.
Magkatabi kayo, meaning hindi ikaw ang nag-play na ano.
Hindi po. During that run, it was Sheila Francisco. Another.
Wow!
Diba?
Grand team.
Ganun po ang mga gumanap dito sa Himala. Meron talagang pedigree. So,
Binanggit ka ni Direk yung Gawin Mo Akong Sige na mahalagang parte nga daw ng pelikula.
so, panoorin nyo kasi ang daming moments talaga ng pelikula that we want to share.
When was the last time you did a movie po?
Last time I did a movie was last year for Dustin Celestino.
Napakagaling ni Vito.
It
Oh my
won
gosh.
Best Ensemble in the Cinemalaya and it was recognized as one of the best films that year.
Lahat kayo magagaling doon. Grabe kayo.
Oo, actually, veritable
Agot.
who's who po. Agot, Dali De Leon,
Grabe.
Jojic Lorenzo, Joel Saracho, Paolo O'Hara.
Husay, grabe.
Napakabigat po nung pelikula.
At least ngayon mainstream ang pelikula.
Nakakagulat nga po, ano? Isang musikal na mula teatro, magiging isang mainstream na kalahok sa MMF. 50 pa. It's all the milestones hit. I'm so proud to be part of this.
At sa dami ng entries, 10 lang kayo, isa kayo sa Sinwero.
Pero maganda yung sinabi nyo kaninang hindi nyo habol ang blockbuster, but di ba parang makita lang ng tao yun.
I think kung isa kang creative, hindi dapat yon ang goal. Kasi kung yun ang goal, makukompromiso mo yung artistry mo eh. Makukompromiso mo yung vision, yung kwento. Kapag nagpapander ka, parang ito yung gusto nila. Hindi, magugulat ka sa manonood, di ba? Bigyan niyo ako ng bago. Ako mismo as an audience, as a film goer, bigyan niyo ako ng bagong kwento. I'm excited to see what you have to tell.
May iba lang ang content, Miss Betulin. Close pa kayo ni Shereen.
Yes.
Pero di ba recently, turning point sa buhay niya yung nag-out siya.
Yes.
And as a friend, anong
Yes.
comment mo?
I've never seen her as happy as she is now. I don't know, when you're singers, it's such a competitive industry. Sometimes kung hindi ka secure or hindi mo nahanap yung sarili mo, yung kinaliligaya mo yung totoo, nafe-feel yun ng mga katrabaho ko. Ito talaga, she's always been a joy to work with, pero iba yung gaan, iba yung happiness na nakikita namin sa kanya. Bakas na bakas.
Nagulat ka? O alam mo
Hindi
na
naman
before?
po, kasi in this industry, well, hindi naman just the industry, in this society, nandiyan naman talaga eh. Nandiyan naman talaga. So, ako nung narinig ko that she was lesbian, I was just happy that she found someone she could be herself. Mamahalin niya. Kitang-kita. Bakas na bakas. So, I hope it stays that way.
Yeah.
You know, straight relationships or not straight relationships, may mga pinagdadaanan. I just hope that she stays as happy as she is now.
Kaya mo sorry nakita ako ng kausap.
Matagal na po, ang tagal na namin hindi nag-aasap. Pero pinafollow ko siya sa Instagram. Ang saya-saya niya, Mel ha. Tsaka napakasarap magluto nun. Yun lang delikado. Ngayon kasyo sa mga gown niya.
Na-meet mo
Grabe.
yung partner.
Sobra. Palagi nagdadala ng chicharon sa asap.
Yung partner niya?
Sinasapuntahe ata ko ni Mel. Palagi ang pinapakain ng chicharon backstage. Kaya, ma-figure.
Si Mela magaling magluto, hindi si
Yes.
Shereen.
Di, si Mel ata. Kasi minsan dadating yan lunchtime ang asap. May mga dalang mga niluto niya eh. So parang, papatabain na naman tayo nito.
Ikaw ba kumusta love life mo?
Ay, ang saya ko.
Non-showbiz ba? Andyan ba?
Hindi, nandito.
Andyan.
Sa
Nandito.
pelikula.
Kayo po medyo late na rin kayo no?
Medyo late ako nagpamilya.
Pamilya.
Kasi it was never part of my plan. Hindi ako isang motherly na tao na feel ko. Oo, parang feeling ko hindi ko kaya yung responsibilidad. Tapos,
Ngayon, ilan na anak mo?
2.
Anong ages?
12 and 13. Nag-birthday lang pala kahapon.
Magkasunod lang,
13,
ha?
Babae, lalaki.
Pareho kong babae, pero minsan titibo-tibo rin. So, hindi rin natin.
Sinabi mo
Kaya
parang,
kapag tinatanong, lalaki, babae, uso pa ba yun?
Oo,
Parang kayo rin.
issue yun.
Uso pa ba yun?
Hindi
Gano'n
naman
Pero
ka late ka na
girls
nag-family
sila.
visit? Gano'n ka late yun?
2011, first baby.
How old were you nun?
How old was I? Siguro mga 34.
Hindi naman masyado.
Oo.
Pero kasi hindi ko rin inisip talaga. I was never the family, raising my own family.
Tapos yung dalawang children mo, dito sa husband.
Yes.
Anong name? Hindi ko alam, sorry.
My husband is Manny Domingo. He's also a theater actor.
Ano siya dito sa film?
Ansam.
Ay, ansam siya pero may importante siyang gaganapin na nakakapagbago ng kwento.
Wow.
Thank you, Miss.
Sandali, may last
Meron
question
pa.
ako. Bilang invited kayong lahat sa Malacanang. Are you excited to go?
When is I was asked about this.
On the 15th yata.
I don't think I'm available. Yun ang alam ko. Pero matagal ko nang tinutuos yan eh. I've represented the country before. I've always been very political. I'm always critical whatever administration. Even during Pinoy's time, I was critical of him and they invited me to sing for Obama. During the time of GMA, I was critical of the administration. I was invited to sing for Filipinos like
So kung available ka
Labamba.
man,
I represent the nation.
Sa'yo, work is work.
Depende po kasi when it's personal things, I usually draw the line there.
But this,
Party. Pero kapag you're representing in a state dinner and it's a chance to represent country, I will represent the country.
no, you will represent your movie.
your movie.
Kasi
Yes.
yung mga
Kung but I know I won't be able to.
mas last pa, bilang nakating ka ngayon, how do you feel yung mga nagaganap sa labanan ng mga ano?
Ako sabi ko mga botante, ginusto natin. We deserve who we go to. And that's, deserve po natin ito. We need to reach out to each other and we really need to have these conversations. Mag-usap-usap po tayo dahil lahat po ng na-experience natin, hindi lang yung na-experience ng kakampi natin, ng hindi natin kakampi. Lahat po tayo. So we need to reach across the aisle and really decide what is good for us. Then we will get the government we deserve.
Thank you. Nag-invite